everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I am doing a Princess Polly haul. I haven't done a Princess Polly haul in so long, and I'm so excited to show you them because I literally love their stuff. When I say the quality is amazing, I was about to swear then. None of that. It's literally amazing. You'll be able to see it in this video anyway. Thank you so much to Princess Polly for actually sponsoring this video, but of course my opinions are always honest. Doesn't matter if I'm working with the brand or not, I will be completely honest. Don't forget to use my discount code, which is ChynaXO or Chyna. Yeah, no, it's ChynaXO. I just want to say a couple points quickly, just so you can kind of get to know the brand, and if you are going to buy anything, just so you know what to expect. Their shipping is super fast, between 2 to 4 days to the UK when you spend £40 and over. Princess Polly also offers AfterPay. Another key point that I really want to emphasize on, they have 30 days returns, which is so good. Sometimes when I get a package, I don't open it straight away, or I don't have time to go to the post office and send it back straight away, so they give you plenty of time to either decide if you want the item, if you want to exchange it for a different size, etc., or if you haven't had time to open it. Hope that makes sense. They've got so many different pieces on there. If you like the kind of vibe that I wear, you'll definitely love them. Of course, I'll link all the items below. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah.
I had to include a sweatshirt in this video because I love comfort, I love anything big and cozy, and this fits so well. I actually used to own this. I feel like I'm saying that so much in my videos at the moment, but every time I clear things out, I get rid of things, and then I'm like, oh my god, I wish I had that. I had owned this jumper for about a year, and I wore it like once. And since we've been getting into the colder months, I've been wanting to reach for it so much and I haven't had it, so I had to get it back. It fits so perfectly. Such a nice oversized fit. I got the smallest size. I love the contrast stitching where it's got the black on it, and then it's got a print on here which is printed on really lovely. I've just paired mine with some black flares, but you can wear black leggings, joggers. You could even style it with a little black mini skirt and some boots. Of course you can just wear it for lounging about, but I just love it. I love sweatshirts with little prints on because they're not too in your face, very simple, but can be styled in many ways, and I'm absolutely not going to get rid of this time. Okay, for our next item, we've got a pair of joggers. You can't really see the length. Let me quickly show you. That's the length. As you guys know, I am 5 foot, so I'm quite small. I actually sized up in these joggers. Normally I never size up in anything, whether a site tells me to or not, I never listen. They didn't have my size in stock, so I just grabbed the size above, and I really like it still. It fits the same around the waist and around the legs. It's the perfect amount of bag. I'm obsessed with grey and like charcoal grey at the moment, and these are so flattering. Like, they're really nice quality. They're not so oversized so it looks like you're wearing like your boyfriend's joggers. I know that's really cute and it's fun and it's comfy, but for actual looks, it looks a bit, you know. I'm super happy with the fit of these. The waistband's really nice. It just sits perfectly on my waist, doesn't slip down. It does have a drawstring, but I prefer to just keep them tucked in just so it's more sleek. As I said, I love this colour grey. It's really nice charcoal. I would definitely wear white or black. If you have a Skims top, that would look so cute. You know, the ones that just have like your belly peeking a little bit. You can of course wear a hoodie like I'm wearing. These for like college would be amazing. I think this is actually a matching tracksuit, but the top was probably out of stock for me. But I'm super impressed with Princess Polly's joggers. I don't know if I've ever tried them before, but I'm so happy I have now because they're really nice. I don't have a dark grey pair of joggers in my wardrobe. I just really want to get hold of the tracksuit so it could be like a full piece now. Mini skirts are such an essential in your wardrobe, summer, autumn, winter, any time of year, because they can be styled so many ways. So this is just one example. I thought I'd show you more of a dressy version. I've just popped on this corset to go with the skirt. I feel like the white and charcoal looks really nice together. You can wear an oversized blazer, boots, you can wear tights, you can literally layer, change it, do so much. I just feel like mini skirts are so staple in a wardrobe no matter what colour. I already own a black one, so I wanted to get a grey one because I've been loving charcoal at the moment and just grey in general, and I feel like it's such a good autumn winter colour. It does have a little split, and it's that like Skims material, you know, that really buttery soft material. The only issue is it does show any lumps and bumps, so I have just eaten too much toast, so you can definitely see that, but it's fine. They do actually have matching tops with this. They have quite a few like Skims dupes on there. They have long sleeve dresses, they have these skirts, they have t-shirts, long sleeve, short sleeve. They have so much, and I was dying to try it all, but I had to stick to the things I already had in my basket. I'm really obsessed with this colour. Again, I stuck to my size. There is a little bit of excess, but I don't mind that with skirts. I like them to kind of ruche. It is just a normal waistband as well. I just like the whole mini skirt and corset look. I think it looks really nice, and obviously, as I said, the white and charcoal goes really well. Just gonna show you it a bit closer. yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with this. Let's go on to our next item. Okay, I'll show you how I'll fully style this in a second. I just wanted to show you so you can see the product properly. I am wearing black tights, but I can see in the viewfinder, you can see. Leather shorts, such a staple for autumn winter. I already own a pair, but they're more like flowy and flary, but I actually saw a girl get some like tighter one and I thought they looked really nice. I definitely would need a lighter pair of tights because obviously they're black, but these are the only ones I had to hand. I just styled it with a chunky knit jumper, but I'd also style it with a big coat. Just gonna put my aviator on just so you can see the full outfit. They're such a perfect length as well, like your bum's not poking out. They're such a good fit. I wouldn't want them any looser or any tighter. They're literally perfect and they're just what I had in mind. But imagine, you know, going winter wonderland or shopping, anything with some big chunky boots. But you can wear them on like a night out with that corset I showed you a minute ago, or a crop shirt. Leather shorts are so versatile. You can also wear them with blazers. They can be styled so many ways, and I can't believe I've only just got my hands on skinnier pair. I'm just going to take the coat off again just so you can see them properly. But the waistbands are super discreet as well, so it is just a zip here and then a little fastening. They fit like a glove and they're so comfortable. They're not restricting. I can still move about, you know. I just wish I had a lighter pair of tights so you can see them properly. You can even wear like a massive teddy coat as well. This set is so different for me, but I actually really love it. I wanted to step out my comfort zone a little bit. I do feel like it would look better if I just roll it. You guys know the drill by now. I always gotta have things shorter and then I like them so much more. There we go, that's perfect for me. I was actually really surprised on how well it fitted me around the waist. I mean, I don't know why I ever doubt Princess Polly because their stuff always just fits me amazing, and I never have that with any other brand. It's so strange. But it is a two-piece and it does come as a two-piece. It comes with the top. This is so flattering. The straps, are you joking? I love when they're so far away from the front bit and then it's like a sweetheart, so it gives a bit of a lift. I've got no bra on, so it supports really well, and then it's got two buttons and then a split just to break up the outfit a bit. I would pair this with some like black boots. I was thinking these just to like make it a bit cooler, and for jacket you could wear like a leather jacket or even a black bomber. I really feel like pinstripe is going to be the thing this autumn winter. I'm seeing it everywhere and I'm thinking to myself, I'm loving it, everyone else is loving it. It's definitely going to be the thing. That along with Uggs, I feel like they're both becoming a thing. I prefer it much shorter, so I would have to get this tailored. I might wear this in Venice. It might be a bit cold because I am going in November. But even so, oh sorry, that's really annoying. There we go. I'm just obsessed with the fit. It just fits so well. It honestly is taking me by surprise because I was not expecting to like it as much as I do. You can even wear like high knee boots with this. I'm thinking white because obviously it's got white in it, but black also goes with it because it's the same like tones. I don't know if I personally would put a heel with this. I feel like it is a boot outfit 100%. Even some chunky trainers, white ones, maybe black ones, could go. You can of course wear it separately. Imagine this with some black flares, or you can wear this with a blazer, a white top. This is why I love Cold so much, because you can mix and match, do what you want with them. They don't have to be paired together, and you really get your money's worth because you get two items for one whole price and you're using it with all these other outfits. Love it. I've been on the hunt for some thick, white ribbed, either cycling shorts or just shorts in general for so long that aren't see-through and are really nice quality and just fit perfectly. Why didn't I look on Princess Polly first? Because that was the obvious answer. They just don't disappoint. Look how well it fits. Such a thick waistband. I just paired it with this white ribbed crop top I had because this is a base to so many outfits. Put a blazer on top, a shirt, a big coat, boots, you know the drill by now. You can even wear it under things, so if you have a t-shirt dress and you want some shorts to go under, this will work too. I'll show you how I'll style it. I just pop a blazer over the top. You see how cool that looks? Obsessed with these black boots I have. It's giving very cool girl aesthetic. And they're the perfect length as well. They're not too short. As you can see, bum's not hanging out or anything. And it's not cutting off my circulation. They just fit so well. Like I can't get over it. And I'm wearing bright neon pink underwear here. You cannot see it at all in the slightest. So I'm super excited to have these. Princess Polly, please, 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 first of all, bring out a petite range. I would love you forever. I love your trousers. They're such good quality. They fit so amazing. But lengthwise, they're just too long. I feel like if you had a petite range, you would just make my heart, and you'd have to take all my money because I would love it. But if you do consider this, please, some white, like the same material as this, either leggings or flares or both, and trousers. Honestly, I should be the creative designer here because I have the visions inside my heads but nowhere to put them. But anyways, that is a good idea. This is another item I've been on the hunt for, a white rib dress. For autumn winter, this is such a staple. I have like a black version of this, but it is like a slinky material. This is like thick rib, so it's going to keep you so warm. Again, can't see my underwear, it's so thick. It's just a little bit baggy and a little bit long for me, but I can just turn it into kind of a ruche dress and do that, and it looks fine. Again, I'm planning to wear this blazer with it. I literally bought this blazer and I had things in my head that I wanted to style with it, like white shorts, a white dress. Oh yes, yes. But I didn't have it. And now Princess Polly has saved my life. I've literally been looking for months for this type of dress. And the fact that it's not see-through, like I've tried so many and they're so see-through, but you can't see anything at all. Again, as I said, it could be styled so many ways. You could layer, you can wear a knit jumper on top, so double warmth, and then you just have it as a white skirt. I will probably do that because I can't ever find a white skirt that's not see-through. Princess Polly, you just kill it. You just do so well on quality and fit. It's just unreal. And you've made my life because I now have this dress that I've been looking for so long, and them shorts and every other item. So guys, that's the end of my Princess Polly haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some outfit ideas because I've done a bit of styling with it. Let me know any other brands you want me to test, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.